Hello, loves. I'm Bree. Welcome to Ink on Paper, where we plan for home, business, and entertaining. So everyone, we're going to go ahead and get started. If you're new to the channel, welcome to Ink on the Paper. And we're going to get started with our budget planning today for the week of the 28th through the 6th. To do is white out some areas that we don't need. And it's not that much to white out for my budget, because I don't, this is a vertical banner, so it's not too much writing on it, and it's very, very neutral. These are the books that we are using for today's Plan With Me. Fancy Blooms, Girls with Goals, Budget, Black and White, and Planner Words Letters by Kelly Plan. So the package we have here, we did some pre-planning on this wax paper. And also, guys, I got good news. We have new tweezers. Some Crafters Precision tweezers from We Are Memory Keepers. So we're going to start right up here at the top part of the planner with our this week. I hope everyone had a great week last week and are ready to start our new week here in the beginning of March. Isn't that something? Wow. I've been doing a lot of purging. I've started that last year because I just had too much Christmas decor and home decor, and I really, really needed to purge down. I mean, it was getting at a stage that my attic is running over, and I have a pretty decent sized attic. I really want to get a shed built. That would make things so much easier. I have much more room. I would set it up like a little warehouse, and it would be so much easier. My dream team sister, Felissa, from Homebody with Felissa, I don't know if you guys recognize her channel, but she has a fabulous, fabulous decor warehouse in her shed that she built last year. And she set it up so beautifully with all of her decor items, and she has a lot of it, but it looks gorgeous how she has it set up in her shed. And I'm really thinking about doing that. I don't have as much as she does, but I think it's such a great idea to get that stuff out of your home that you don't use on a regular basis, and put it in a place that you can easily access and that holds all of that decor or home accessories. I'm using my fingers. Why you guys haven't said anything about me using my fingers? I mean, I bought these tweezers to use. I have to remember how to use these different scrapbook. use these tweezers. And I thought, ooh, those looks pretty good. But it's something to get used to. I'm going to get a shed. Not sure when, but I'm definitely going to get a shed built to house all of my Christmas decor. I'm proud of myself because I started with 18 bins. It had grown, and I'm down to about 10. So I did a lot of purging, a whole lot of purging, and I am determined to get all that stuff out of the house. As far as, you know, all that decor, it was getting kind of crazy. Okay, so we have that flower there. So if you're new to the channel, I divide my budget into 3 sections. We have the home here, where we put all our home spending, like groceries and things in that nature, or maintenance on the house. And then we have the second area is pay bills, where we put all our bills here that is due for the week. And then the last area is the savings that we saved, sinking fund and deposits in our accounts. And I love the way this looks. I love the way it is set up because it's very easy to read, and I really do like how it looks. Okay, I have been looking for my razor edge blade, or whatever you call it, and I can't find it. I don't know where it is, but it's nowhere to be found. Okay, so we have our border here to add some more black there. I love this. I don't know what you call this color. It looks like a very dull purple. I don't know what that color is, but it's so pretty. This decor box, line box, I guess you could call it, in the pay bill section, because sometimes I like to make notes in the beginning of the week of what's going on in the bill section. Okay, so this is one bill. So I like to line up my lines on these boxes that's divided like this, because it looks weird if the lines are not lined up. I don't understand. I mean, any other day this works out nicely, but for some reason it's not working out today. So my G, somehow, oh wow, I fit that great. Okay. So I hope you guys had a great February month. We had a holiday in February. I don't know if you're business or where you work, or if you work at home, if you celebrate the federal holiday. What was it? Was it President's Day? Was it the 13th or the 14th? I can't remember. I think it was President's Day. And then we had Valentine's Day. February was a little bit. Then we had Black History Month. We order groceries Friday and pick them up. Sometimes I order it on Thursday and pick them up on Friday. Okay, so we have the groceries, and then we have one more bill. That comes out Sunday, but it probably won't post until Monday. So goes here. I don't like the way that that line. We're going to put this up here. And we're going to take this and move it. And let's see. And then we have our deposits down here. All right. And that's all that's going on this side. So now we could fill in. Let's see. So we're going to put some more purple on this side because it doesn't have enough to match out the other side. There we go. Now we can just fill in with whatever. So I think I want another quote up there at the top. Need some sort of black up there. Right up here in this section. So we are going to add this quote. Be present in all things. So this looks crooked to me, so we are going to place this on here a little better. Much better. Okay. Okay. So now, guys, we just want to fill in. We're just about done. Fill in some more flowers here, since we have some flowers over on the other side, the other page. We're going to add some flowers here. Add something in this corner, some more flowers. Fill in this space. Okay, guys, I think that is it for today. So this is what it looks like. Okay, everyone, this is the final look for this week's budget planner for February 28th through March the 6th. I added a few things off camera. We added a today sticker here, so it would say, today be present in all things. We also added a star sticker because for some odd reason that just wouldn't stick down. We added a nice computer that says nice work because we need to fill in that space. It was so empty. We added a flower down here to fill in that space and put a to-do next to our deposits. We also added a payday because we get paid on the 1st. I love the quotes that I have here. Don't wish for it, work for it. Just because it's hard doesn't mean it's been possible. Focus on where you want to be. And the most important project you will ever work on is you. Love it. I hope you guys was inspired for this week, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.